It's summertime in Mindelo, so it's party time. This weekend is Feastival de Kavala Fresk, a festival honoring the mackerel. Me and Galopan are one of the best spots in the city. We can hear the music perfectly from two different stages. Obviously, these are the sounds of Brazil. In a little short dinghy ride away, there are food stalls offering different recipes for the fish. And all ages are out. I love this about Cabo Verde. No age discrimination here. I wish I could have videoed all the different mackerel dishes. But I'm working here, Gotta shoot video. Anyways, I'm more of a people person. And I got friends to meet tonight. And as well, artists to listen to. We found a spot to try some grilled mackerel. This is Jose's bar. And later, Wendy came with her boy Claudia and her friend Lori, who loves the spotlight. We went to listen to this popular Cape Verdean artist named Bachard. Wendy told me that not only does he rap, but he's a psychologist. This is one of his big hits. Ah, geez, the party always seems to continue on Galopan. Wendy decided to hang out longer at Galopan, and I said I needed her for my next video. She's getting popular.
I think I'm lucky not to have any hair because my poor friend here, Wendy, and all her friends, they have so much to deal with their hair. And I can't imagine. It's kind of nice to be bald.
She asked if she could invite her friend Bruna to come for a swim and help. Bruna's doing little designs they call baby hair. I always wondered how they did that. Man, black hair care is a big deal here. Kind of happy to be bald.
Trying to teach Wendy how to drive the dinghy. Important thing. She's a little shy. Un pouco tímida. But I think she'll learn.
Me no care what happened tomorrow. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. Feeling like I knew you all my life. Oh, I can take my eyes off you, baby. When you pull me close to the body, get the party started now. Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moon?
It was a calm, hot day. Good time to get Wendy started sailing the dinghy. She's doing just fine. Probably would do better with her glasses, which she doesn't like. She thinks she looks ugly with them on. I'm kind of torn because she can't see how old and fugly I am without them.
Girl, you know I wanted that. started like a running back. All over your body like a lumberjack. Me and you against the world, we running that.
Bruno wanted to go for a swim. I hadn't seen her for a while. And look, she's pregnant. She wanted me to get some shots of her in the water. Boy, she's beautiful, isn't she?
Wanna lose myself with you tonight, yeah. Forget all about
I still got to work on Wendy's swimming skills. Well, she'll get there. Meanwhile, we really have a great spot here, man. I can hear all of you thinking out there, he'll never leave. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will.
You got me caught up in the moment. Murder on the dance floor. Yeah. Want this forever. Forever. Get the party started now. Now. Girl, you.
It's Wendy's job now to drive the dinghy to shore every time so she learns. She has to get used to it. So I like it. She's going really slow and tranquilo. Muy vaga.
Won't you be my moonshine?
Okay. Yeah.
You are.
Okay.
A few nights later, my friend Fannie dragged me out to another party, way up above Mindelo. A pretty cool spot to have a bash. I wasn't keen on going because I was afraid Fannie would maybe kind of leave me by wayside once up there. But no, she proudly grabbed me by the arm and introduced me to all her friends. She's super popular.
Boss of all this shit. I'm the boss of all this shit.
Well done, brother. Great party. Then things got a little bit rowdy. Guys started fighting over girls or something. It was fine by me because they all ran out to the street and I found myself left with all the women, practically. Fannie likes this crap. She's a bit of a provocateur. But she also played diplomat, calm things down.
No matter what, you get some love. We can get along together. We can stay together, but fight not. Fight is not good. Let it be. Fight not. It's not working.
We found a cab back to Galopin, had a last beer, and Fannie went home. Fannie's my latest party buddy. She's super cool. I love her. And there's no issue between me and her and Wendy, etc.
They're handing out barf bags. Fannie, she never gets sick. She's tough. She's like Marisa. Marinière. Agora, maintenant, je suis avec Cédric. Nous allons faire les prochaines vidéos en français. Parce que Stéphanie, elle parle français. Hein, tu parles français? Un peu. Ça suffit, c'est suffisant. Elle faisait des bons shows de vidéo. Elle s'est très bien montrée. Elle savait, bon, je trash, you know, the show things. It's gonna be good for the next episode. We're going to Santo, Peter and Lily.
And Peter and Lily had invited us to join them on the island of Antão, just across from Mindelo. Wendy couldn't go because of her son, so I went with my drug sister. It's an inside joke. And no worries, Wendy's cool about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the canal and it's typical Fury. Even the big boat gets like sloshed around and stuff, man. This is the canal, man. Woo.
Make sure to tune in next week. We're in for some spectacular sights. Thanks for coming aboard Kavala Fresk Voyage. This is our studios. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community there. We've got a lot of cool extra perks this year, like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron Graham started a WhatsApp chat that he aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and we can talk, chat, uncensored, say whatever we want, and discuss anything. And it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. Or you can watch for free on YouTube. Just make sure to give us a like or dislike or leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along on Winded Voyage, man.